Nakausap natin sina Empress at Felix. Kaya this time, isa na namang bagong love team ang makakasama natin mula sa Bahay ni Kuya. And do you still remember ang indie singer ng USA at ang charming angel ng Cebu? They are here with us today, guys. Ang tambalang Brett and Fritzy. Welcome to Simply Casey. Kamusta ang buhay na wala sa bahay ni Kuya? Nagbabanding pa ba kayo?
Masaya po.
If may tapings, castings, magkasama, ganun.
And mall tours, amazing.
Okay, guys, we know how you met, the two of you.
Yes.
Pero ano ba talaga yung pinaka-like ninyo sa isa't isa? Brett, ano ang pinaka-gusto mo kay Fritzy? Siyempre.
The first time I met her, it was her eyes definitely that attracted me directly. Like,
Bakit? Why? Ano meron
sa mata ko?
if you look at the left one, the left eye, she has cat eyes and it's really beautiful. Look, oh.
Cat eyes?
See how it goes like that? There's like a
what?
slash like that.
Anong slash?
See?
Oo nga, ang ganda. Buti napansin mo yun. Ganun, tumitingin ka ba ng malapit na parang,
Sobrang lapit ba?
para ma-notice mo yun, Brett, in fairness
Observant
sa'yo.
lang talaga si Brett.
Anong pinaka-nagustuhan mo sa kanya?
Personality, attitude niya, ganun. And his eyes.
Mata din. Ako mata-mata
First time I
lang
heard
pala.
that
Pwede na
one.
kayo mag-uusap sa mata. Plus points ba yung si Kero, si Brett?
Probably yes. Diba? Kasi talented, then he's good in singing.
Fritzy also, she can play the piano really good.
Compatible. Silang dalawa daw, love ang music. Brett, did you ever write a song for Fritzy?
Yes, I wrote her 2 songs now.
You wrote her 2 songs?
Yes.
Pwede bang pasample naman?
You have got to be the cutest thing I've ever seen. You, me, we could be so damn happy. I'll keep staring at you till you stop staring too. Then maybe, baby, daily you could love me too.
Oh, ang cute! Bakit ako kinikilig? Bakit ganon? Kayo ba best friends kayo sa totoong buhay? What do you think makes it click? Yung
Ay.
totoo lang.
It's nice to have someone that looks out for you, you know?
Ganun ba? Ang
She's
cute.
there for me, and I'm there for her also.
Alright. It's so special to have a friendship like that. Sana hindi magbago yan. Okay. Diba? Gusto namin malaman, kapag meron sa inyong forbidden love, kunyari, may crush kayo, sobrang type mo tong girl na to, type nyo talaga. Tong lalaking ko, naku, ito, pag pumaporma, hindi ko kasi mapigilan sarili ko. Hindi ko siya matiis. Pero, bonggang-bonggang forbidden love, bawal dahil merong may ayaw, like pamilya, fans, manager, ay, anong gagawin ninyo? Brett?
I love this question.
Sige. We will love your answer. Nararamdaman ko.
Don't you think that forbidden love is the best love? Romeo and Juliet, diba?
Romantic talaga tong si Brett. Anong comment mo doon, Fretzy, ha? So type mo yung mga trahedyang ganon.
Yeah.
You will do everything for love. You will die for the one you love, Brett.
I learned that from your dad. He told me that if you really love the person, you should find someone that loves you more than they love themselves.
So that guy would be, the one loving the other person more would be you or the girl?
I think me.
Aww. Ano pang hinihintay mo, Fretzy? Ano ba? Kayo naman, guys. Anong meron kayo?
Abangan niyo po mall show namin
Yeah, mall shows and
sa
also
Davao
look for us in Davao. And please check me out on Mix.
this Sunday.
And check her out on her new You show coming up. Please watch that. And then we'd like to say thank you to all the Bretzy Bunnies.
Thank you so much, Bretzy Bunnies!
Guys, ang drama talaga ng buhay, roller coaster ride lang. Ang drama rin ng buhay, pag-ibig, is all about emotions, all the feelings talagang dibdibin ninyo. Diba, Felix, yung mga heartaches na yan, maganda yan, meron kang bound-bound, diba? Just like my next song, lahat ng ito, para sa inyo. Sana magustuhan ninyo. From the album KC under Sony Music.
Aww.
Sige, dito mo na ilabas yung heartache mo, Felix. Thank you, Mr. Louie Ocampo. It's been a while